So once again we find ourselves at the end of a year. I've situated myself next to the Christmas tree at home, not at uni, where I'm going to be spending the vast majority of, well, the rest of Christmas. I'm actually going back to uni on the 5th of January. But in the meantime, there are, a few things that I want to talk about while we're going with Christmas. This isn't an update video. I'll have another proper big update video in the new year when I go back to uni. But there are kind of a few small things. So you may remember last year, around this time, I created a feedback survey for people to fill in where they could leave their feedback about the channel, about, how I did, what I did well, what I did badly, what I could improve on, stuff like that. And then I made a video, covering those results and, kind of planning out the channel from there. Well, I'm doing the same thing again this year. Feedback survey 2021 is available to fill in now. So you can do that using the link in the description. It is more comprehensive than last year's. There's a lot more questions, specifically tailored to certain aspects to get, more informative data, I guess. So it would be really, really helpful if you can fill that in. I don't think it's that much longer than last year's one. I think there's a number of questions in last year's that aren't in this year's because they're just not really relevant. But yeah, it'd be doing me a huge favour if you can go fill that out. Every single response helps, and this is the biggest way that you can have a say and influence in what the channel does. So yeah, if you want to fill that out, link is in the description below. Also, in the new year, I'm doing something I haven't done for a while. A Q&A. And this Q&A isn't restricted to anything. I did one in October that was just kind of restricted to channel updates and stuff. But this one can be about anything. It can be about, my personal life, about the channel, whatever you want. There isn't really a limit to the number of questions you can ask either. Although, when asking a lot of questions, please keep in mind that I'm not going to answer them all in the video that I do in January. But if you have any questions for me, then leave them in the Discord server or in the comments to this video. I kind of decided it doesn't really matter which, to be honest, because, there are a few people that watch me that aren't in the Discord server and kind of the other way around. So, just leave all your questions either in the respective channel Discord server or in the comments of this video. I'll go through them all in January and I'll choose the best ones. The deadlines to complete both of those things are at the earliest the 5th of January. So they're not going to close before the 5th of January, but just know that after that date it could close at any time. It really depends on when I get around to doing it because I go back to uni on the 5th of January. I'm actually doing the travelling on that day, so it might not be exactly that day, but it could be pretty much any time after that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Make sure you get everything in early so you don't miss out on the deadlines. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say in this video. I just want to thank everyone, for being supportive and staying with me over 2021. I know the last few months have been a bit weird on the channel. I've talked a few times about why, so I won't do that again, but I do want to extend my thanks to everyone. I think everything has kind of sorted itself out now. So hopefully, I'll be able to reset while I'm at home, and then when I go back in the new year, everything will be kind of, I'll get my mojo back, essentially is all I'm saying. So yeah, that's the plan. But yeah, in the meantime, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, doesn't matter. Even if you don't celebrate anything, just hope it's a good time for you. And I will see you in the next video. I mean, there'll be a few in December, of course, but yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, and well, yeah. Bye!